Yeah, hello. Yes, as per the schedule, a few of the gentlemen representing their media companies has already arrived in the uh, Press Club Kolkata, which I am going to start my media release or media conference. So I will be happy for your cooperation, spending your precious time and coming in the media show. So in the next 1-2 minutes, I am very much ready for the broadcastings of the realities of the today's media conference. So I request you all to have ready for the all kind of electronic gadget for the recording as well as for the uh, broadcasting. Okay. So with your kind permission and the wonderful opportunities from the Kolkata Press Club giving me the opportunities to share a small space, but the things are very mass truth for the mass communication. Once again, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, kids and all, gender of all, uh, personalities in the West Bengal, the soil, air, and waters of West Bengal. This is Yumnam Irabant Singh, who is the director cum owner of the Birla Emporium Private Limited, Ira Finance Private Limited, with the second director Yumnam Megachandra Singh, the second director of the said company, uh, who are the victims of the third terrorist attack after the World Trade Center and the Mumbai terror task attack. Now it's coming to the Birla Emporium and Ira Finance. Okay. So focusing to the main point of the press conference today, I'm going to pinpoint and highlight everything the realities that my company is facing till now for the last 7.5 years suffers at Imphal, Manipur, without any justice from the concerned authorities, except conspiracy of loot, theft, fraud, cold-blooded extortions, and robbery. Okay. So my company, Mantley, which I mentioned, is a Birla Emporium Private Limited and Ira Finance Private Limited, which will be available globally in the Google with all kind of registrations, all kind of details, and company has its branch office at the West Bengal branch at Kolkata, Karnataka branch at Bangalore, and the Assam branch at Guwahati, Manipur branch at Imphal, Nagaland branch at Kohima, Mizoram branch at Aizawl, Arunachal branch at Itanagar, and Meghalaya branch at Shillong. Okay. So, being a victim of the third terrorist attack, plus 100% loan defaulter, non-repayment of the billions of loan given by my company in the market, and due to the non-fee payment of the company and business attack, the business is stucking for the last 7.5 years in the market without any justice. Okay. So the two companies is a self-made billion business empire, which is not a government project, which is not a trustee, which is not a society, which is not a partnership, which is not a team company, but is purely a self-made billion business empire. And in today's press conference also, whoever media I invited, I already sent my 85% accurate balance sheet of my company to the 15th media company to coverage my media release today without fail. And at the same time, for the last more than 5 years in Imphal, Manipur, the government and other concerned authorities are playing without any justice for the years 5 years in the name of investigation and no positive impact with the corrupted report, fact report, spreading and broadcasting outside Manipur, including central government as well as other international countries. So, being the multi-citizenship of United States, UK, Canada, Europe, and UAE, so many conflicts, so many assistance are left to come from them due to the wrong report. Therefore, I, on behalf of this media coverage, inviting my countries also for the assistance to give justice for the third terrorist attack. Okay, and in the few very important next topic, again requesting to the government of West Bengal, the government of West Bengal and its national allied, and the government of West Bengal and its international allied to give me justice of the third terrorist attack after investigation which the companies and the owners is facing more than 7.5 years since 2018 in the form of terrorist attack, cyber terrorism, crusade, human rights violation, emergency medical attack, poverty movement, disobedience movement, and lootings of my billions and billions hard-earned wealth in terms of monies and properties. Okay, so the owner and the company is now in the worst situation, completing the liabilities of the company repayment for the investors. Okay, and very good news for the West Bengal branch at Kolkata. Luckily, the company has no liabilities of repaying any amount of investment to the investors, because in the course of the business action more than 1 year at Lenin Sarani Road, the branch office has no investment from any investors. So Kolkata has no liabilities of such kind of delay of repayment due to third terrorist attack at Imphal, Manipur. So at the same time, being an ex-branch market operator in the region, requesting all the communities and peoples of the West Bengals and its concerned government to look into the matters and kindly bring out the justice, punishment, compensation, fine, penalty for this third terrorist attack, which lead to the downsizing of the big branch office at Lenin Sarani Road of the Birla Prem Private Limited. So brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen of the West Bengal, my company has no liability in the Eastern India Big Brother, West Bengal. So this is a good news, okay. And regarding the investigations of this third terrorist attack, I have little time to speak out the truth in the Kolkata Press Club. So every materials of mine and the raw material of the investigation, including the owner cum director mobile number, email, Facebook account, Yahoo account, and whatever I spoke, I use from the every corner of the Kolkata Press Clubs are evidence-based, and they will be getting all evidences from my digital platforms of this mobile number, email, Facebook account, YouTube account, and every word I use is not an exaggeration or not an attempt to escape my liabilities and misleading others, but seeking the honest, very, very honest victim, third terrorist attack victim. So every digital evidences with supporting documents will be finding from this digital account of the owner, and how things are started, how things are going on, how things are destroyed, how things are at present now, will be knowing everything, okay. And another point is that as a matter of third terrorist attack in the year 2018, as far as the official report is concerned, in Imphal, Manipur, unlawful organization named Corcom personnel is standing in my office as an online stock trader in the stock industry, He extorted and looted more than 50,000 crores of my money, which is traded in the SEBI recognized Bangalore-based company Zerodha, where I caught red-handed very recently around 50 crore and 1.5 crore in the cryptocurrency of his mobile number. And all these evidences will be found in my digital platform in my own name with the digital evidences, not by mere writing. Therefore, please, the West Bengal government try to deliver my money, which is now sitting or parking at the Zerodha Bangalore-based company, around 50 crore and the 1.5 crore with the red-handed evidence, but the total amount receivable is more than 50,000 crore of my money, which is not related to any unlawful organization or terrorists, starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to Z. A business is a pure business, and I am a pure corporate entrepreneur, and in the region there, they are making dirties and trying to loot all my asset and the wealth in the name of the dirty report and the fact report. Okay. So in the meantime, I will be handing over all the evidences of every word I spoke in front of you, not making all the listeners, misleading them and think otherwise. So understanding the power of the big boss of the Eastern India, West Bengal, racing to the decks of the Kolkata Press Club, seeking for the justice on behalf of the government of West Bengal, national allied, international allied. So with these few lines, we'll be giving more information. At the same time, my material will be handed over to the Kolkata Press Club as a matters of evidences, and everything will be getting from my digital accounts of Facebook, YouTube, as well as mobile number, email number, without any cheating from the digital platform. Okay. And in the press club, I am sitting like a gentleman here, but who is burned inside more than 7.5 years as a victim trillionaire entrepreneur with the world situations in Imphal, Manipur. But luckily, I reached the Kolkata Press Club for broadcasting the truth all over the world, and the world will give who they are, how bad they are, how good they are, and if they are deserved for the respect and the gratitude they will be getting, and if they are found to be terrorists, they will be under the punishment of the Terrorist Act. Okay. Further continuations of the company is registered under MSME, Ministry of Small Medium Enterprise, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, RBI, NBFC, deposit taking under process to acquire to upgrade to a bank, and the both companies are the members of the International Trade Council in Washington DC, and Birla Emporium is registered under the WIPO as global trademark across the planet under Madrid Protocol, and is having registered in the US government and the UAE government also. So the two directors, one is my daddy, Yumnam Meghacinder Singh, and myself, Yumnam Irabanta Singh. This company is not a partnership company, as I told you, not government, not NGO, not terrorists, not having any trust or any community-based business, but the fundamental rights of right to properties, right to live has been spoiled, human right violation has been spoiled, like they command, overrule, and try to loot every billions and billions wealth of my hard-earned money in terms of properties and money in Manipur. So in the meantime, everything has a purpose. So I, as a young entrepreneur coming out in front of the market to do something good, from the business platform. That's why the tagline of the company Birla Emporium is nothing but transformation through business. The IRA Finance is easy money with collateral, so that anyone can start his ventures or business if he or she has a collateral. Okay, so Birla Emporium is working parallelly before COVID and terrorist attack, more than 20 different projects. And after terrorist attack and COVID, it collapsed with zero single income. But the company liability is still standing till now and repaid around 500 crore of my property liquidating in India, in Imphal. Okay. So raw material for the investigations of the company, which like investigating the owner, I would like to write down or not broadcast the mobile number of the owner as +91 97741835512 +919233169854 +917005889337, and the email irayoum777@gmail.com, irayoum777one@gmail.com, yumnamirabanta@yahoo.com, irayoum777@gmx.com, irayoum777@protonmail.com. Okay. So in the Facebook you will find my two accounts, Yumnam Irabanta Singh and Yumnam Singh, every details and evidence of the occurrence of my company related evidences and matter here. And the another point of the extortion money which I caught at the Zerodha is around 50 crore in the demat account of the extortionist Khangembam Singh Khaingan Basing, and in his cryptocurrency 1.40 crore plus in the cryptocurrency. Okay, so this is a humble request that no matter whether you know or not before, but now I already broadcasted that the company is a pure company which is earned from the sweat money, which is not related to anyone in any sense of illegality, black or wrong things. So all the terrorist group or so many other, please do not disturb me in my international travel and in my affairs of completing my company repayment. And so many YouTube supporting evidence addresses are also here at my hand with the paper, which will be handed over to the press club team. And when the concerned authorities come for the investigation process, they can pass the materials to the concerned authorities like anti-terrorist squad, as well as so many other third terrorist attack concern like human right violation victim, communalism victim, community loot victim, communal terrorism victim, crusade victim, medical emergency victim, cyber terrorism victim, terrorist attack victim, and so many victims with this I had been living so far. They are praying, in fact, being a billionaire and trillionaire, to end my life early so that all my loans, properties will be under in that state and they will be looting everything with community loot, poverty movement, and giving a negative mark of Ponzi, fraud, scam, etc., etc. Okay. And finally, this company is not belongs to any Meitei tribe or not any partner of the Meitei or any society of the Meitei. This is purely a private limited company of Yumnam Irabanta Singh and the father Yumnam Meghasundar Singh, which has been put it due to the MCA Ministry of Corporate Affairs protocol of two directorship of a private limited company. Okay, so The last and the final closing line of the company is that my company is a pure company, having no dirty conspiracies of making any listeners or any readers in the media globally. So after seeking assistance from you all, kindly enter all the concerned authority to look after my materials, dig inside, and give me a SAP and SOS justice, and please intervene in the third terrorist attack to deliver me the justice as soon as possible. Okay. Finally, all pending due to third terrorist attack, my company's corporate and governmental liabilities has been pending from 2018, as they are not producing the annual audit report of the company, which is of billion matters sitting at the counter, and balance sheet also, profit and loss also, resulting in the non-repayment of the ITR and the GST corporate compliances. But this time, in the financial year of this 2025 April, I myself, the owner, is trying hard to complete the pending liabilities from 2018 till now due to terrorist attack. Will be completing without fail. Okay. Last but not the least, everything I speak today, and every viewers, audience, and watchers, this is a serious, which I am not an actor, that I could not put my pains, my sorrow, my suffer like a movie. But this is a mere statement from the bottom of the heart. If you feel, then please invite all authorities to dig into my raw materials, and they will find everything A to Z of my word, and please deliver me the justice on ASAP, and this is a SOS message, okay? And you will find every word, more than the words, terrible case in this digital national, international platform, okay? So, I told you this is the last point of the media coverage. Those 400 terrorist declared team who are sitting at the counters and failed to produce the balance sheet of the company and annual audit report and their earning report and their work report and their field report are not qualified to be called as the universal corporate employee. Therefore, they are termed as the terrorists, which they have spoiled trillion business owner hard-earned money. So the rounding figure which the owner has been working for the last 5 to 6 years to bring out what is the real data of the company, I am putting my balance sheet of about 85% accuracy, which I am working every day to find out the real report of my company, which are under attack by these terrorists in the form of loot, theft, fraud, edition, diversion, hiding, and wrong report. So in the balance sheet, I will be, the international has their own system, like Indian system, British system, American system, European system, but while I use this system, I will be in trouble because of my richness. So please put your comma as per your protocol or as per your format. Now the available asset of the company is 4600361000000. This is INR. You please put the comma as per your format, and you will find out this is my asset, which will be more and more, and which is equivalent to Great Britain pound, sterling pound, 62748635525.49. Please kindly put the comma as per the GPS, okay? And my company liability amount is 2 539501507 INR, which is equivalent to Great Britain pound 2489707.3.5 plus 169637500 equivalent to 1663112.7 Great Britain pound. Please put the comma. I will not be broadcasting the exact amount because it is a live risky for me. So please put the comma and you will find out the amount. Okay. So with this few line, this is a very serious, just next to World Trade Centers as well as the Mumbai terror task attack, which has been suppressing the news to the global media for the last 7.5 to 8 years at Imphal, Manipur. So I am hoping and very glad to got a few chants from the Kolkata Press Club, seeking once again the justice after investigation. Justice after investigation, and not justice just by mere blame or mere statement or mere media release. Okay, so every raw material has been put it, and I believe, being the metro state, big brother of the Eastern India, which have best intelligence, equipment, technology, so they will be very early bringing out all the realities and facts and call all the terrorist declared team red-handed with the evidence. Okay. With this few lines, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and all media person. Please kindly broadcast my humble request of victim for the third terrorist attack to reach everyone, so that no youngsters or no present entrepreneur never face this kind of scene again in the corporate world, as work is life. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.